All right, so this is for those of you that have multiple sections in a grade. First, I'm going to show you what to do if you're sharing the lesson plan writing. So for example, maybe one of you is writing the Bible and spelling lesson plans, and one of you is writing like the math and language arts lesson plans, and then you're just using those so that way one person's not writing all the lesson plans. You still have to do this step so your class will see the homework for those lessons. So first you want to make sure in the class section setup that you have all the classes you're teaching. So let's say I was going to be teaching fourth grade language arts, and then I would title it okay, once it's in my weekly planner, then what I'm going to do is go to weekly planner. So I don't teach language this year, but let's pretend like I'm teaching it, but I just didn't write the lesson plans for it. So I need to get Diana's lesson plans into my weekly planner. Otherwise, it will not go into my renweb, which means my parents will not see any homework or tests that they have in language. So if I'm teaching it, but Diana wrote the lesson plans, what I need to do is go to the other teacher's name. I go to the week I want to copy. It'll usually default to the week you're on. So what I'm going to do, I'm in Diana's weekly planner right now. I'm looking at hers. Here's the language arts lesson plans she's written for us. They look fabulous. I want to make sure, though, my parents have access to any objectives and any assignments that are in there. So right here, anytime you see this little dual paper thing, that's copy. So it could be copying your own lessons or copying someone else's. I'm going to click copy, and it's copying Diana's language arts lessons for the week of Monday, August 23rd. I'm going to copy it into my language section, and I'm going to click copy lessons. Now I'm back on my name, and if I look down here, I now have all those language lessons. Because they are now in my weekly planner, at the end of the night, if I have it set up correctly, they will sync into renweb. Okay, so this is if you're going to be doing the same lessons, but you're each teaching them to your class, just someone else wrote the lesson plans. You go to the other teacher's name, go to the lessons you want to copy, and click the little double paper. It probably will only give you one option to copy into, but I want to copy the language lessons into language. Copy lessons. They are now in there. It also is then if I want to do a PDF or print it, because that's what I want to use for my lesson plans for the week, then I would have those lessons printed out as well, so I don't have to keep going back and looking at her lessons. They'll just be printed in with all of mine. So you'll need to do that every week for anything that someone else wrote the lesson plans and you're teaching. Now, the second part of this is what if, because for example, really Diana's teaching language to her class and my class. So really I can't select for that to sync to renweb. I'm teaching science to my class and Diana's class. So she could copy my lesson plans, but she doesn't have an option to sync it to renweb. So if you are teaching like 2 fourth grade sciences or 2 third grade maths or whatever it is, what you're going to need to do is go to class section setup. So I have 4th science for Mullins. That will sync to renweb for science health A, which is my class, Mullins 4A. I'm going to have to add a second class section. So it's still fourth science and health, but this one is fourth science Hatfield. And I'm going to sync that to 4 Science B. So then when it rolls over or syncs each night, it'll put these lessons into Mrs. Hatfield's renweb for her parents to see. So I'm going to add that class section. I'm going to need to do the same thing for social studies, so I'm going to rename this one that I have to Fourth Social Studies Mullins, and that's syncing to 4 Social Studies A, so Mullins would be 4A, that's going to be in my renweb. Save it. I'm going to add a class section, still 4th grade Social Studies, and that's going to be 4th Social Studies Hatfield, and now I'm going to set that to sync to 4 Social Studies B, which is hers. Now, she can still look at those lesson plans if she wants, but there's really no reason for her to copy them over because it's going to sync from my renweb. Then what that looks like, so if I'm in my weekly planner, okay, right now it's not showing anything. So there's fourth science Mullins and there's fourth science Hatfield. There's nothing there, but that's super easy to fix. So when I'm editing my lessons each week, so even if they've all rolled over, it's, changing dates, editing, whatever. When I'm in my science, there's 2 sections here, fourth science Mullins, fourth science Hatfield. So all I have to do is add the date on hers as well. And now it is in both of ours. So all you have to do is add the date because it's both in fourth science. You're not going to have to write lesson plans twice. You're just going to need to make sure when you go in and edit your lessons that you just add the dates onto the second teacher as well. And then it'll show up in both places in your weekly planner, and it'll sync to both of those sections in renweb. I hope that makes sense. I know it's a few extra steps, but we really want to make sure that any parent from any class will be able to see the homework.